Hi, welcome to WinTrader. Today we can check about the future charts performance. WinTrader software, how working in future market. Means Reliance chart. For an example, we selected Reliance chart. How it's WinTrader 8.1 live signals are working in Reliance chart. You can check now. It's a live video, it's a live performance you are watching. So first we get a signal, sell signal. Today first signal is a sell signal, a short sell signal generated. You can see that sell signal entry price is mentioned on the top, sell at 2107. And its targets are below, target 1, target 2, target 3. 3 target with stop loss, trailing stop loss are mentioned there. So if the signal generate, first we want to check the confirmation. Confirmations are three confirmation totally we need. First confirmation is the bottom bar color, second confirmation price zone, third confirmation candlestick color. So here sell signal generated, but so far still the bottom color is in green because the chance the market is chance to go upwards. So if that color is red and price zone, price in sell zone, and candle color if red only, you can confirm sell signal. So here the market only chance to go up. Yes, it's going upwards. If the buy signal generate, now you can enter the buy trade there because already the confirmation all are there. You can see there the resistance and support level, red star resistance and blue star support. If the candle break the resistance level now, which means the market is in a buy mode. So here also the resistance level breaking, yes, it's get a buy signal. A buy green up arrow generated there. The buy entry price is 2115.60 and the targets are below, target 1 2120, target 2 2123 and target 3 2127. So if you are enter the trade at 2115 now, you can exit with the minimum target. First and second target will be the safe target always. So first target is almost 5 points, second target is almost 9 points, 9 to 10 points, nearby 10 points is the second target. So if you want to exit with the minimum target, now first and second target you can prefer. So right now the market in same level, the entry price same level, the market is still. So you just wait for the first target or first target, maybe we can exit with the first target or second target. 10 points is usually it's moving. It's with a signal. Once the signal generate, now minimum 5 to 10 points will move definitely. So if it after that, now if it go up, we will get re-entry suggestion. In first target is 2120. Yes, it's achieved. First target triggered, you get the intimation, that alert message, and right side it intimate at status bar, means you can check target 1 hit. 2120.25 was the first target, it's just triggered. So if you were in still continue the trade, you will not exit and still continue for the second target, now it's better you can wait for the second target. After second target is waiting is maybe sometime it risk. If after second target is, I personally prefer to exit with enter with a re-entry suggestion. Yes, second target also triggered now. I think the second target 2123.99 it's exactly was there. So that also achieved now. Target 2 hit, you can see on the top. Target 2 also triggered. So usually if the say 2 targets are triggered, the chance to get re-entry suggestion there. Means re-entry suggestion means if the trend continue and again if go up after these targets achieve, again if it continue the trend, now we will get new buy suggestion. That is re-entry suggestion. If we get the re-entry suggestion now, buy at 2120.95. Yes, that target also, special target for that re-entry suggestion, target is 2125 point something. Means 5 points target is preferable. If you are enter that re-entry suggestion, you can enter right still the same, almost same price, 2120 if you are enter, there's first re-entry target triggered. Re-entry target also achieved. This re-entry target advantage, once you exit with the enter with the re-entry, and if it exit the re-entry target, after that target again if it continue the chance, the market should continue same trend, we will get new re-entry suggestion. Next re-entry suggestion should appear there. So you can wait for next re-entry suggestion. Still in same first re-entry suggestion, it's already hit the target. You can exit the trade there and you can wait for the next suggestion. If it continue now, we will get new suggestion, new re-entry suggestion will appear. We can wait for the new suggestion there. If it continues, again it's going up. After our target is going up, it's almost 2130, it's up there. So still we didn't get any re-entry suggestions. Yes, it's going up 2137. I hope it will generate a new re-entry suggestion because it's strong buy trend continue. Yes, we get new re-entry suggestion. Re-entry means 2137.95 is re-entry suggested and the target 2142. Yeah, you can check this one. So how much points are there? 2137. If you are enter now, you can exit with 2142. 2142 is the target re-entry target price. I hope you understand what the re-entry and how it's performing. Yes, re-entry target also achieved. Target 2142.6 I just achieved, and if you want, you can exit with that re-entry. You will get additional profit. Re-entry suggestion always give us additional profit with a safe zone. So it's too advantage, and it's too much advantage, and it's safe. It's very safe with the re-entry suggestion. Next re-entry suggestion we generated 2145 means third re-entry. After second re-entry suggestion target achieved, again we get the re-entry at 2145. It's 2150, 5 points of targets it's given. Let's see if it achieve or not. You can check. It's a live market. It's not any other things other than it's a live market performance. Yes, to nearby that target 2150.60 is the re-entry. Yes, that too achieved. 3 re-entry suggestions are achieved, and overall, obviously the 3 targets already hit, and 3 re-entry suggestion also generated. This kind of performance the software provides you. So there is no risk. The simple safest way to trading, successful trading, how the signal is working and how we can become a successful trader. That's all we will train you properly with a live demo session. Live market, how it's performing, you can check with live demo. That you can myself Shyam, you can contact me. My personal, then my WhatsApp number and mobile number is 9061308080, or else you can register in our website www.wintradersoft.com. so both our website, or you can contact me directly. So like this it's working always. So thanks for watch this video. For further clarification you can feel free to contact me. Thank you.